Once again, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for taking the time off to join us on this Thursday afternoon. We have a very interesting webinar planned for you today on Go USA TV, which is actually a very interesting OTP platform, a training platform for you to enable you to know more about the US and to educate your clients accordingly. I today have uh, two speakers who are coming in to present here. But before I do, I have a couple of quick announcements. Uh, Please note that you need to keep your mics and webcams off at all times. Our viewers who have joined using their mobile phones, please use the landscape mode or horizontal mode for better view. Also, you can activate the desktop site option by going to your browser settings for a better view. The Q&A option is available right through the webinar. If you would like to ask any questions to our presenters about their respective destinations, we will address your queries after all the presentations are over and the Q&A session is over. If time does not permit, we will get back to you in the next couple of days via email. At any point of time, if you feel that the audio is breaking or getting mixed up due to a low internet connection or any technical glitch, please refresh your page. Also, keep the email with your unique webinar joining link handy with you. You can join on clicking on that link if you're not able to rejoin due to any unforeseen issue. As and when we play the video from time to time, you may get a pop-up saying there is a new video stream detected or an audio stream. All you need to do is press the continue button on your screen, and there would be no issue at all. With that, I'd like to introduce our speakers and presenters for today. Uh, the first one is Ms. Shima Vora, who is the Managing Director of Brand USA for India. And we also have Bhavika Zariwala, the Director, Travel Trade, Brand USA in India, who will also take you through the entire Go USA TV guide for today. Without any further ado, I'd like to pass the mic over to Shima to open this webinar. It's over to you, Shima.
Thank you very much, Sheldon. Good afternoon to everybody, and thank you so much for joining us today. We're very excited to present the Go USA TV to you. So, as you know, the US is a very huge country and offers a lot of diversity of experiences, which are unique just to the United States and to the region that they're from. Go USA is Brand USA's OTT entertainment platform, and it has some really fantastic content. The content's very inspiring. It's presented to you in a storytelling manner, which is very interesting and entertaining. We really encourage you to download the app. It's free of charge. Encourage you to have your customers download it. The content here that Bhavika will be taking you through, you'll notice you can actually use that with your clients. It's very inspiring with any kind of other information that you might want to send them. We think this is something that will be very beneficial, especially in times like this where everyone's going to be looking at a lot of newer programs that they would want to travel and newer destinations that they would want to travel to. One of the other things that I think that Go USA TV will have, which will be very interesting for you, is that they also have a lot of local experiences. We get asked that question all the time. So I hope you enjoy this presentation and are able to use this content with your customers and within all your other platforms. So with that, again, welcome. And I'd like to now hand this over to Bhavika to take you through. She's your guide for today. Over to you, Bhavika.
Thank you so much, Shima, and a very good afternoon to everyone. Hope you're keeping safe at home. I'm Bhavika with Brand USA, joining in from Mumbai. It's a beautiful rainy day here today. I'm super excited to take you on a virtual journey through Go USA TV videos today. So before we deep dive into the session, I'd like to play a trailer of what the Go USA TV app is all about.
we're trying to find game changers, standout food and experiences you remember forever.
Club Ebony was opened in 1948. Talking about a place been open that long, that's history.
We love seeing new people and welcoming them into our city and showing off how awesome it is to be here.
We are connected to this planet. We were meant to be in nature.
You know, every city has a unique sound to their music, and this is ours.
There's a people that's been here for many years, but we also want people to know who we are today.
So as you've seen through the video, the USA offers a wide variety of experiences, and that's why we've dedicated an entire channel to sharing our stories and showing viewers what is waiting to be discovered in the United States. So I'm sure many of you are wondering what is Go USA TV. Think about it as a Netflix of the travel and tourism industry. Go USA TV is a OTT platform which is powered by Brand USA, and like Shima said, it's 100% free to use without a subscription fee or login. Go USA TV is a premier travel entertainment channel, and we have some really engaging HD quality premium content. You can watch series, films, documentaries, all free of cost. We currently have 7 channels and 38 shows, which cover 400 plus locations across all the 50 states of the United States. And Go USA TV keeps rolling out new programs every week, helping explorers continue their dream to travel. And this is a really good tool for you to create future travel inspiration for your clients. So the tagline for Go USA TV is because every place has a story. Imagine a channel that features a constant source of authentic, compelling, and entertaining travel stories from all across USA. Go USA TV has a very fresh and entertaining lineup to appeal to all viewers, and it's really for all of the travel trade as well as your consumers. So where can you use the Go USA TV assets? We have our premium HD quality assets like the United Stories series that can be also downloaded from our media library that sits on the Travel Trade website. United Stories showcases a lot of experiential travel videos within the United States and can be easily used for USA destination promotion onto your website, social media channels, for client engagement or digital promotions. Inspiring your consumers to add new destinations to their bucket list by virtually visiting the USA. So now coming to how do you get Go USA TV? So on your mobile device, you can find it in the App Store on your iOS as well as Android. It's free of charge. There's no installation charges. On the OTT platform, you can find it on the Amazon Fire TV Stick as well as Google Chromecast. We also have a really fun YouTube channel where you can kind of watch all of the Go USA TV content as well. Now, this slide is a lot of fun. We're now going to do a quick fun group activity. So all you need to do is open your cameras on your iPhone or your Android phone and point it to the QR code on the screen. So there's a QR code which is specific for iOS and one for Android. So what it will do is it will direct you to download the app immediately while we're talking right now. And on most phones, the user will be able to download the app. And don't worry if it didn't work for you. You can always find it on the Play Store or the App Store. We now have a quick walkthrough video that I've specially created for you to kind of take you through the Go USA TV app, which we'll be playing now. What the app looks like, here's a list of the channels which are available. And here's the shows which are currently available. So right from road trips to national parks to culinary, we have it all. There's something for everyone to watch. So this is some of the content that's available. This is what the homepage looks like. Each series has like multiple episodes that you can watch, ranging from 10 minutes to longer. So we're just going to do a content review of the United Stories assets. As you see, we have wonderful experiential travel videos. We're going to do a quick preview for you now.
They all light up on Fiesta Field, and there's just an excitement that goes through. And people are sitting around going, look at that one, look at that one, look at that one. I'm Barbara Fergie. I'm a balloon pilot, and welcome to Albuquerque. Been in New Mexico since '78. Someone in my department had a hot air balloon, invited me out. I was hooked. Finally, me and my husband decided to buy our first balloon, and we have been ballooning since then. Fiesta has put Albuquerque on an international map. New Mexico, with lots of museums around the state. Everybody knows about Santa Fe. We got mountains in the north, deserts more to the south, lots of national monuments. So there's always plenty to go do. Albuquerque is special. It is known around the world. Most balloonists always say, oh, I want to go to Albuquerque once. And ballooning is always a happy time to be around. So you want to be out there, you want to be with people, and you want to have a good time. You can walk right up to any balloon at Fiesta. You are not held back from walking right up, looking in the baskets, looking up in the balloons. If you see somebody who only has about 2 people helping them, you could go up and say, can I help you? Everybody will help each other. You will be right there and watching them take off. It's just gorgeous to look at and see.
So there you saw it right from the app. That's how it looks like. And did you know that the largest ballooning festival in the world takes place in Albuquerque, New Mexico in the USA? So there's a lot of fun facts to be unrevealed as you go through the content on the app. So here's a sneak peek into some of the shows available on Go USA TV. Starting with California Pop, it's a beautiful, very picturesque series, and it's been launched in partnership with Visit California. This show takes you on a road trip across the USA's road trip capital to experience lesser known pop culture landmarks. And here's a quick sneak peek into the series.
Hey, I'm Anthony.
Hi, I'm Shakira. And we're best friends in search of the roads less traveled.
As we make our way across California.
We're in search of the campiest that this great state has to offer.
Got sunscreen on?
Too late for that. Yeah. Join us as we explore the pop culture of California.
Next, we have the Hear the Music series through a very local perspective. This series has 2 seasons with 18 episodes, and it kind of talks about how the United States taught the world how to rock and roll, EDM, hip hop, and more. In this series, you join local musicians as they explore the heritage of their hometowns and capture the sounds that define their cities. Discover the places behind the wonderful music through this video.
I love the beauty, I love the scenery. Whatever you're into.
You can like make your own fun.
It's kind of magical.
Tell me I'm your lover, man, baby, do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance?
And hold my hand, tell me I'm your lover, man.
Oh, baby, do you wanna dance?
So that's one for music lovers. Moving on is a licensed selection of the Atlas Obscura videos. So if you're really looking for the most bizarre, strange, and unusual attractions in the United States, you can tune into the Atlas Obscura collection. This is also a lot of fun to watch for families with kids as well. Our next series is called Lucky in Love, and this one is really for all of us who love some romance combined with drama. This 3-part original series sends 3 couples on a game of chance through the USA. They toss a coin which determines which partner will select the day's activities, pushing the duo outside their comfort zone as they experience something new every day. Here's a quick preview.
Hiya, I'm Rachel.
And I'm Paul. Well, I'm Dean Barker-Begley. And I'm Gary Barker-Begley.
I'm Alana Elliott.
And I'm Josh Shoxley Adams. So this coin here is going to decide everything for us. Heads or tails? Tails.
Tails.
Oh, she's won. I've seen it.
I loved using the coin.
Personally, I've had a fantastic experience. I've really enjoyed New Orleans.
We've seen so many places and done so many amazing activities.
So wasn't that a great preview? It's really a lot of fun, and we have something which caters to everyone. We also have some great films to view on this app, and Brand USA continues to leverage cinematic films to highlight the nearly limitless travel experience in the United States. In association with the McGillivray Freeman Films, as you know, many of you may know, we launched our first series, which was National Parks Adventure, which is now available on Netflix. And those of you who joined our American Independence Day virtual celebrations got an opportunity to see the film with our Movie Time Live. America's Musical Journey is Brand USA's second film, which is narrated by the famous actor Morgan Freeman, with Aloe Black as the storyteller. Aloe Black is the popular singer of the Avicii remix, Wake Me Up When It's All Over. Without further ado, let's hear it from the voice of Mr. Morgan Freeman through this video.
McGillivray Freeman Films invites you and your family on an amazing adventure to the extraordinary places where America's music was born. Experience the foot-stomping, trailblazing music of America and explore the sounds and spirit that bring us together. America's musical journey.
So for those of you who've still not seen it, I really encourage you to watch this movie this upcoming weekend. It's a real fun watch. Next is Finding Whelmed, and this one is really for suspense lovers. Finding Whelmed tells a tale of a missing television host and what his crew experiences when they set out to find him. It's completely shot in Kissimmee, Florida, and it's really, really cool to watch. Next is California Dreamers. It's a series which profiles people within California and kind of tells you more about how they've chased their dreams. Next is Trail and Trailblazers. It's a Brand USA original series. So often we get travel trade questions about what's there to do in the USA apart from the usual. Well, this is your answer. This series follows an adventurous young pilot as she discovers new and unexpected places across the USA. Here's a quick preview.
To be a trailblazer is to find a new path. It's about opening your eyes to the world around you, becoming inspired,
So Trails and Trailblazers is really for all of the travel trade to know more and enhance your knowledge on the out-of-the-box experiences available in the USA. And it's a really fun way to learn more about the destination by just watching amazing video content. Next is a series called USA Through Food. It follows 6 chefs on a journey through the USA, through the diverse food scenes of 6 vibrant cities that are listed on the screen. So again, this is a great way to know more about, local specialities and food which is popular in the USA. It's coming soon and is a Brand USA original. We now have a quick preview for you.
The energy in Chicago is at an all-time high. We're really changing how diverse the city really is.
As a chef, Detroit it's sort of this blank canvas.
We strive to pass on that experience of Seattle with our food.
Houston is a melting pot. I don't think that there is anywhere on the map that isn't covered in the city.
So food is really a top motivator for people to travel abroad, and this series is a must watch for foodies. Next is USA Through Film, which is coming soon. As Indians, we've always had a long-standing romance with films, and this series will take us through some of the most spectacular filming locations across the length and breadth of the United States. It also tells you more about what makes these locations so special. We will now play a trailer of this series, which is coming soon.
Action! I think I've shot more films in Chicago than any other director.
As a filmmaker, it's spectacular. The light is so beautiful.
I've done several films about Brooklyn.
From day one, we recognized that the imagery was going to be a character in the movie, and it has a lot to say.
People gotta discover for themselves. I mean, discover for yourself.
Next is United Stories. So our CEO, Christopher Thompson, always says that traveling is all about people, places, and experiences. These are the 3 factors that make travel enjoyable. And United Stories is a great collection of all these 3 elements. So right from island hopping in Puerto Rico to the Fairbank Northern Lights, this series is a visual delight and a great way to virtually visit the USA from home. You saw a preview of the Albuquerque Balloon Festival when I did the app walkthrough at the beginning of this presentation. United Stories has some really great HD quality content, which can also be used onto your website. Now, moving ahead, FIT is going to be the biggest growth area with demand in experiential travel rising. So we really encourage you to use our high quality HD content videos with your clients, matching them to the US itineraries you would like to promote. It kind of also gives them a virtual feel of the destination before they choose to travel. And using the mobile app is a very easy way to share this inspirational content with your clients, colleagues, or friends. You can share the videos with people that do not have the app downloaded as well. And to share, all you have to do is click on the button that you see here, which is marked in a red circle. And you can share it via WhatsApp, email, social media, and a lot more other choices. So really, now you've seen it all firsthand, and Go USA TV really has all of it, as you've seen so far for yourself through this presentation. It covers all top motivators for Indians to travel to the USA, including road trips, national parks, big cities, music, local perspectives, food, movies, unusual attractions. There's also a series on sports and so much more. And that's what makes USA a very, very amazing destination with unlimited experiences and possibilities. So just a reminder, once again, how to get Go USA TV. You can go onto your iOS and Android app stores and download it for free. It's also available on the Amazon Fire TV stick if you own one, or via Google Chromecast and Apple TV. And of course, you can also watch a curated list of shows online by visiting YouTube and finding the Go USA TV channel. So I really encourage you to download the app for self-learning and for consumer inspiration to create a future bucket list for your clients when they're ready to visit the USA. And also, please download it. There's a weekend coming up. You'll have plenty of content to binge watch over the coming weekend. So this brings us to the end of the presentation. Hope you enjoyed watching all our videos, and really thank you so much for joining us today. My email is on the screen. Feel free to connect and keep in touch. We'll now take questions if there are any. Please feel free to type out any questions that you may have.
So the first question that's come through, are all US state tourism included in this series, Bhavika?
Right. So thanks, Sariputra, for that question. Yes, we've tried to cover the maximum number of destinations that we can, and you'll see it when you go through the content. There's really pretty much something or the other for each state. So all the states are pretty much covered, along with the territories as well.
Well, the next one is the $1 million question. When is US tourism going to be open for Indians?
I think we have to first wait for the international flights to open up before we take that question, because till the time we don't have air connectivity, there's no advisory as of now. But we do have a COVID-19 update page, which you can find on our website. It kind of gives you more information on reopening of states, what's happening with the hotels, airlines, etc.
Would you like to take the next one, Bhavika?
So as of now, like I mentioned, there are no directives for Indians visiting the USA because we're still awaiting the international flight services to resume. So I think once that happens, we'll have a clearer picture. I know everyone's just waiting to hop on a plane and fly to the US, especially the people who have visas. So let's just keep our fingers crossed. Hopefully, the flights resume soon.
Also, another question is the series available on YouTube as well?
So not all of it, but there is some curated content which is available on the YouTube channel. I really recommend that everyone downloads the app and kind of checks out the content, because that's where all of our content lies. It's on the Go USA TV app, which can be accessed on your Android and your Apple devices. There is a Go USA TV channel that you can subscribe to on YouTube as well, but it only has curated content.
I think that's been clear, Bhavika. I don't see any more questions coming in right now.
Okay, maybe we'll wait for another. Okay, there's a new question. Is there any paid service to access some series? No, not at all. It's 100% free to use. There is no payment required. It's 100% free to use, whether you're using it on your app or kind of accessing it otherwise. From the Amazon Fire TV stick or Google Chromecast, it's absolutely free to use as long as you have those devices.
Which states, according to y'all, would be the most traveled apparently post-COVID? Is there any research that points to that?
Not yet, because the situation is very dynamic at this point. So it's not the right time to kind of address that, because you never know how things change.
There's also a student-related question, but I'm not sure if that's in your domain at all.
Not at all, because we kind of promote leisure travel from India to the USA.
The other one is when is the next USA tourism webinar? We had just heard about the Nevada webinar, is another question.
Sure. So we are planning webinars, and you'll hear from us soon. We're planning them around road trips, national parks, as well as the big cities. So you'll hear from us very soon.
There's a request, Bhavika, for more information on Las Vegas and Disneyland.
My apologies. Sorry, my mic was on mute. So you can find information on any particular city or any attraction by visiting their official website. So you can visit the Disney website to get more information. And for Las Vegas, you can visit the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Bureau website, which will have relevant updates for you.
The next question that has come in is, are there any series or videos which covered the Hawaii Islands?
Yes, there are. There's plenty of them. There's one under United Stories as well.
So we also have another quick question, Bhavika, whether there's going to be any webinars on Alaska and the Hawaii Islands for tourism.
So we have plenty of these itineraries available on our Travel Trade website, and you'll learn more about the content through the Go USA TV app as well. But we surely hope to have some webinars on these two destinations.
Would you like to take the contest question?
Sure. So we've been running successfully a lot of contests on the USA Discovery Program. That's our online training program for the USA. You can visit us at usadiscoveryprogram.in, and there's a contest running each week. I don't know if you get our mailers. If you don't, please do let us know so that we can add you to our database. But there's always something up for grabs, and we currently have 49 badges on our USA Discovery Program that you can take. So right from experiential badges about self-drive holidays, national parks, and more. Doing these experiential badges will give you more confidence to sell those experiences to your clients. There's also city and state badges available as well.
I don't think there are any more questions. Bhavika, would you want to wrap up?
Yes, so really thank you so much, everyone. Great questions. Stay in touch and feel free to send me an email if you'd like to connect. I'll be happy to connect with you.
Thank you so much once again for logging in, everyone. Till the next Brand USA webinar. See you and stay safe. Take care. Thank you.